Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to install mongoDB for Windows and how to verify the installation. First of all, visit mongoDB Download Center. You find the link in the description below. This is the Download Center. Under the community server, make sure to select bug-free current release version, not the development release. And the operating system, in my case it's Windows, and I'm selecting package MSI. Finally, let me hit the download button. Once the download is completed, you can start the installation. For the setup type, I am selecting complete, and I am not going to change any default setting in this moment. Now installation is completed. Now it's time to verify the installation. Go to the program files folder, mongoDB, server folder, your mongoDB version folder, and bin folder. There's a file called mongo.exe and click on that. A command line interface will be popped up. You can type show databases in the command line and hit enter. That command shows all the available mongoDB databases. Initially, it has 3: admin, config, local databases. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.